Hey everyone, the HONOR MagicBook Art 14 2025 marks a bold step in HONOR's premium ultrabook line, blending artistry with cutting-edge performance. This newly unveiled model in China stands out immediately with its lightweight 1.03 kilograms chassis, crafted from aerospace-grade magnesium alloy. Its minimalist maple leaf curved design and ultra-thin 11.5 millimeter profile exude refinement, further enhanced by a smooth UV-cured ceramic coating that gives it a sleek, professional finish. One of the standout features is the 14.6-inch 3.1K OLED touchscreen, which boasts an impressive resolution of 3120 by 2080. This panel brings visuals to life with 1.07 billion colors, a cinematic 3:2 aspect ratio, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Under the hood, users can choose between Intel's Core Ultra 525H or the more powerful Ultra 725H processors, both of which are built to handle demanding workloads with up to 16 cores and turbo speeds hitting 5.1 GHz. Paired with Intel ARC 130T or 140T integrated graphics, the MagicBook Art 14 delivers enough graphical power for creative tasks and light gaming. Memory configurations go up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, operating at 8,400 megatransfers per second, with fast storage options of 1 or 2 terabyte SSDs. Thermal efficiency is handled expertly thanks to a cooling system that uses phase change materials, dual graphite sheets, a bionic fan, and a vapor chamber. Despite this intricate setup, the laptop remains whisper quiet, with noise levels as low as 3 decibels. Battery life is another highlight, offering up to 10 hours of office work from a 60 watt-hour cell. Charging is relatively fast too, 46% in 30 minutes and a full charge in just under an hour and a half. HONOR has also integrated smart privacy and productivity features. A detachable 1080p magnetic flip webcam ensures privacy when not in use and flexibility when needed. The audio setup includes 6 speakers tuned for immersive output, with DTS headphone support and HONOR's Magic Spatial Audio for a surround-like experience. The backlit keyboard features comfortable 1.5mm key travel, and the expansive touchpad supports 9 gesture controls and even integrates NFC for seamless HONOR ecosystem connectivity. The port selection is comprehensive and modern, offering everything from Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 to HDMI 2.1 and USB-A, as well as a 3.5mm headphone or mic combo jack. Wireless performance is equally impressive, with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, and a Link Turbo X antenna setup capable of reaching up to 450 meters. Software-wise, the laptop runs a hybrid of Magic OS and Windows 11 Home, Chinese edition, enriched with AI-powered tools. Features like HONOR Notes, Documents, real-time transcription and translation, secure screencasting, and deep cross-device integration make it particularly appealing for professionals. There's also HONOR's Voice Assistant and DeepSeek, an AI-powered development tool that supports smart coding assistance. Overall, the HONOR MagicBook Art 14 2025 is not just another premium ultrabook. It's a fusion of design elegance, robust performance, and intelligent features that cater to both creative professionals and high-end business users. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.